Alright guys, so today we're going to another car show and it's going to be in Austin, Texas. I just woke up early in the morning to try to make it on time, and I looked at the comments and a lot of y'all guys said y'all enjoy looking at Porsches. So we're going to an all Porsche car show. So yeah, I'll see y'all guys there. Hey guys, so we made it to the car show in time. There's mostly Porsches, but these are the only two exotic cars that are not Porsches. We got a orange McLaren, beautiful car, 750S, beautiful, beautiful. I love the rims. Look at the wing. Let's check out the interior for you guys. Black, orange interior, suede, and here we got a beautiful Miami baby blue Lamborghini STO. With silver rims and black brake calipers. Beautiful car. Let's check out the massive wing. I like the air swoop in the back. Take a look at that. Beautiful cars out here, you guys. Here we got a white Porsche Carrera 2017, finished in black rims with red brake calipers. So I seen a lot of y'all guys in the comments below that y'all guys like Porsches, so I decided to drive literally an hour and a half to make a video for y'all. It's gonna be like a walk around Porsche car show, so hopefully y'all guys like today's video. Beautiful cars out here. A 911 Carrera GTS. So today's video is just gonna be walk around on Porsches. We got a nice red Cayman, beautiful Cayman. Really? Okay, so I guess the owner's letting me get inside his car. This hasn't happened before. Okay, can I? Oh, okay. All right, let's do this, y'all. All right, so we're getting inside the first Porsche. This is my first time getting inside of a Porsche. And here we are inside the Porsche. Beautiful car. He literally just handed me the key and he's cleaning it. He's still cleaning it. I don't want these people to think that this is my car, but wow. I just close the door and see. Wow, wait, take a look at this. Look at this interior. Okay, I gotta get out of this car. This is not really my car. I want people to think it's mine, but wait, you want me to turn it on? You want me to turn it on? Oh, okay. All right, this guy wants me to turn on his car. All right, so every Porsche you start off on the left hand side. You insert the key. Oh, you take a look at that. X-band, K-band, okay. A-band. Oh, I gotta press on the brake? Okay. And then turn? Okay. Press brake and then turn. Whoa. You want me to rev it? Okay. It looks like I'm gonna rev his Porsche. Here goes nothing. Thank you. Thank you. All right, I gotta get out of this car before I take off with it. All right, thank you. I don't even know this guy, but he just let me inside his Porsche. All right, and here we got a gray Porsche, and here we got a purple GT3 RS. Beautiful GT3 RS. Nice, nice. Look at the rims. Let's check the interior for y'all. Beautiful, beautiful interior. And here we got a blue Porsche. A Boxster S.
It's something that, yeah, isn't that cool?
Check out the interior for you guys. Black leather. Beautiful car. And here we got a matte black Porsche 911 Carrera GTS. Looks like somebody drew a heart on his hood. And here we got a yellow Porsche. Check out the interior on this one. It's black leather interior with the center console all carbon fiber. I like the carbon fiber wing. This is a 911S. Beautiful Porsche. Alright, we're just gonna do walk-arounds. And here's a classic white Porsche. This is a 1964. Beautiful car with black leather interior. And here we got a 718 Boxster GTS, finished in Miami blue. Beautiful interior. And it looks like here we got a all black classic 1978 Porsche.
Yeah. I mean, they're both modern.
Let's check out the leather. It's tan leather. Obviously it's a manual, and that one's a 5-speed. A 5-speed manual. And here's a newer model. This is one of the newest models that just came out. I guess considered a hybrid. Yeah, this is a 2025 Miami blue Porsche GTS. Beautiful car. This is one of the newest models with carbon fiber rims. The T hybrid. All black leather with baby blue stitching. Beautiful car. And here we have a 911 Carrera S finished in light green. It's a 2020. 2020 Carrera S with silver rims and red brake calipers. With dark brown leather interior. And here we have a classic 911T, finished in orange with black leather interior.
How you doing?
Good. Is this your Porsche?
It is.
You don't mind if I can interview you for a quick video?
What you got?
All right. So what's one thing you hate and what's one thing you love about this car?
Man, hate? I don't know if there's anything that I hate about it.
You know, that's what everybody's been saying. Okay.
No, there's nothing I hate about it. I like everything about it.
You like everything about it?
Yeah. The best thing about it, family history for me. This was a car I inherited from my dad. So, yeah, a lot of family history.
Thank you so much.
You bet. Have a good day.
You too. Well, there you go. Porsche's owners don't really hate their cars. They actually love them. Here we got another Miami blue. This is a 2023 and it's a 992T. Beautiful interior. I like the Porsche cup. The 911 Carrera T. Alright, now we're gonna move on to over there. Oh my god. Here we got a Porsche GT3 RS finished in gray. Let's check out the interior for you guys. It's carbon fiber bucket seats with black leather and padding stitching. Beautiful interior. This is a 2016 Porsche 911 GT3 RS, and this is a Porsche Spider RS. We saw this one in our last video, but I guess we came across it again. It's finished in orange with navy blue matte rims, black leather interior with stitching padding. Beautiful car. I like the carbon fiber side mirror. And here we got one of the brand new Porsches. This is a dark gray, a 911 Carrera 2025. I like the color. Let's check out the rims. Silver rims with light gray brake calipers. Beautiful car. Let's check out the interior. Beautiful interior. It's like dark red interior, all leather. And here we got a classic red Porsche at 968, finished in red with silver rims. The leather is in tan leather. Beautiful car. And here we have a 2020 light gray 911. A light gray Porsche. Let's check out the rims. It's silver rims with red brake calipers. The 911 Carrera S. And here we got a 718 Porsche Cayman GTS. With black shiny rims and red brake calipers. This is a 2021. And right here next to it, it's a navy blue Porsche. A navy blue Porsche. This one's a 2020 911 Carrera. Let's check out the rims. Beautiful silver rims with black brake calipers. I like the white interior. This is the 911 Carrera. And here we got another 911 Carrera convertible finished in gray. Let's check out the interior for you guys. Black leather interior. Beautiful car. This is a 2019. So this is just gonna be a walk around video on Porsches. I did see the comments down below. Y'all guys do like these kind of videos and y'all wanted one about Porsche. So here it is. Here we got a 2019 718 S Boxster. Finished in yellow with black leather interior. Here we got light gray Porsche Cayman GTS, finished in black rims with red brake calipers. It's a 2018. Let's check out the interior for you guys. It's black leather and suede interior. Look at the wing on this thing. Beautiful back wing. Look at that. This back wing looks nice. It's a 718 Cayman GTS. Let's keep moving forward. We're gonna check this one out over here. This one's an all black Porsche.
And then he sees the picture sometimes of the double deck. And I'm like, no, I don't think that's gonna work.
With gray interior. It's a convertible.
Hold on 1 second. I'm texting Jason.
This is a Porsche Carrera. All right, moving on. Here we got a classic red Carrera convertible. And here we got a 1957 beautiful classic Porsche here. Let's check out the interior. It's dark brown interior, all leather. And these are side mirrors right there. Pretty cool. Let's check out the rims. And here we got a 718 Cayman GTS, finished in navy blue, with black rims and red brake calipers, with white leather interior and a black leather dash. And here we got a light gray Porsche. This is a 996 Turbo, 2003. Finished in black interior, all leather. The Porsche Turbo. And here we got a black Boxster convertible with black leather interior. Silver rims with red brake calipers. I want to apologize for all the background noises. This is an event. I really hope y'all guys liked today's video. And if y'all do, please support the channel. Give it a like and subscribe. Check this one out. All black convertible. The Porsche 911 Carrera GTS. And here we got classic Porsche finish in yellow. Oh, I can go in? Okay. I guess I'm going into the classic Porsche. Setting down my backpack. Well, you take a look at that. You know, it's actually pretty spacious. I actually thought it was gonna be pretty tight in here. I'm guessing this is the handle brake. This is the stick shift. Beautiful, beautiful car.
That's fucking sick. That's fucking
I guess I'm getting to everybody's cars today. Is this your Porsche?
Yeah, it is.
It is. Can I interview you very quick?
Sure.
What's one thing you hate and what's one thing you love about this car?
One thing that I dislike about this car is it rides pretty rough.
Pretty rough?
Yeah, it's original suspension for the most part. You know, you feel everything on the road, but that's also a plus.
Yeah.
Because not modern car, you don't feel anything, right? Everything is so smooth, suspension. But this car, it takes some effort to drive, which is pretty cool. Everything is manual, no power steering.
Right.
Brakes, you gotta really press pretty hard to stop this thing and gotta plan ahead. One thing I love about this car is the interior. I redid the interior.
Yeah, it
And,
looks nice.
Everybody loves the interior.
I love it too.
And I love the fact that people really love this car, and I let anyone who wants to come and sit inside. I kind of share the car with general public. I'm not one of those that put a sign that say don't touch.
Yeah.
I open it up, say you want to go inside, experience the car, you know, even though
Yes,
it's
sir.
stationary.
Yes, sir.
Sit in it, feel what a 50-plus-year-old car feel like, and I think that's cool that I'm able to do that and share that with
Well,
everybody,
thank
kids
you.
and adults alike.
Well, thank you so much. What's your name?
Duke.
Duke. My name is Luis. Thank you
Nice to meet you.
for
This
letting
is,
me get
this is
inside a
Eggsy.
Porsche.
It's basically
Eggsy's the name. 1972 Porsche 911.
What's the name again?
Eggsy.
Eggsy. All right. Well, there you guys go.
All right.
A yellow Porsche named Eggsy, a 1972. You know, I think Porsche owners are really chill. I mean, they did let me go inside their cars while I'm even asking. That's crazy. And here we got another yellow Porsche. This was a 1969. Let's check out the interior for you guys. It's dark brown leather with a bit of stitching. And here we got a 1973 all black Porsche convertible. I have not seen this type of Porsche before. This one's really nice, a 1973. Beautiful car. I wonder what kind of Porsche this is. I like how it has Porsche right here in the back windshield. I like that. I'm guessing it says right here, this is a 914. And here we got a Porsche Boxster finished in blue with silver rims and yellow brake calipers. And here we got an all white Porsche. Let's check out the interior for you guys. With brown leather tan interior. I'm guessing this is the Carrera S. Yep. And here we got another Porsche Boxster. Black rims with red brake calipers, obviously. I guess that's a trend right now. Everybody's getting black rims and red brake calipers. And here we got the interior for you guys. All black leather. Beautiful.
How are you? You
Good,
like my
good.
car?
Oh, this is your car?
Yeah.
All right, you want me if I give you a quick interview?
No, not a problem.
All right. What's
Well,
one?
actually, I need him because he knows more about it than I do, even though I drive it.
Oh,
JP.
Okay.
I'm Lori.
Oh, Lori. Nice to meet you, Luis.
Nice to meet you too, Luis. This
Luis.
is my husband, Joe.
Joe. Nice to meet you,
Let's do a
Joe.
quick interview.
If you don't mind me interviewing you very quick. Sorry, my tongue got stuck. It's a beautiful car.
Thank you.
All right. What's one thing you hate and what's one thing you love about this car?
One thing I hate. Well, I just bought it in January of this year, 29.
Right.
So I drove it to Florida 2 days after. I really can't tell you if there's anything I really hate. What I love about it, you put it in sport mode, use the PDF, and man, this thing flies.
It takes off.
I've had it up to 109 miles an hour.
Oh.
It's my first mid-engine.
Right.
Because normally I've had these.
Yeah, the 911s.
911s, yeah. But what's one thing I really like about it, my wife and I can travel. It's got a frunk and a trunk.
Right.
So we can put an overhead suitcase in there, and we can put 2 soft packs in the back.
Beautiful. All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
All right, and here we got a classic red Porsche. It's a Carrera with black leather. Let's check out the interior for you guys. Beautiful, beautiful. Wait, take a look at that. Here we got a Porsche Cayman. Whoa, I haven't seen this one here. This one's a dark navy blue Porsche. Let's check out the interior. It's finished in white leather interior. This is a Carrera 2. I like how the back tail lights is not blacked out in Porsche. I actually like that. That's such a pretty good detail. Let's check out this one right here. This one's a Porsche convertible turbo with silver rims and yellow brake calipers. Let's check out the interior. Red interior for you guys. Beautiful. Is this your car? You don't mind if I can interview you very quick?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so we got the owner here today. What's one thing you hate and what's one thing you love about this Porsche?
Hate is very hard. There's not much to hate. The only thing I hate is probably because they all look alike.
They all look alike?
Whether I have a 911 Turbo S or if I have a base Carrera, most people don't know the difference.
All right,
That's
and
probably the only thing I hate.
and if it was up to you,
Yeah.
will you buy this car again?
100%.
100%. There you guys have it. 911 Turbo S. You know, Porsche owners are pretty chill. Pretty chill people. And I have not seen this one right here. It's a white Porsche. A 1988 Turbo. It's like an old version of that one over there. But this is finished in all white with black leather interior. And chrome white rims. A classic turbo. Alright guys, I guess that's it for today's video. I hope y'all guys like it, and please give this video a like and subscribe. Please support this channel, and I'll see y'all guys next time.